Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a distance radius circle to Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you need to visualize a specific area around a location, whether you're planning delivery zones, searching for properties within a certain distance, or mapping out service areas. Let's walk through this together step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This is where we'll start by identifying the exact location you want to center your radius circle around. Once Google Maps loads, take a moment to search for or navigate to the specific location where you want to add your distance radius circle. This could be your business address, a landmark, or any point of interest that you need to map. After you've selected your location, the next step is to copy the address. You can do this by clicking on the location pin or searching for the address, then selecting and copying the full address text. Make sure you have the complete address copied to your clipboard, as we'll need this in just a moment. Now, open a new tab in your browser and search for Map Developers. This will help you find the tools necessary to create your radius circle. From the search results, click on the Map Developers link to access their suite of mapping tools. Once you're on the Map Developers site, look for the Map Tools section and click on it. Within Map Tools, you'll find various options for customizing maps. What you're looking for here is the Draw a Circle tool, so go ahead and click on that option. This tool is specifically designed to help you create accurate radius circles on maps. You'll now see a page with an address field prominently displayed. This is where your copied address comes into play. Paste the address you copied earlier into this field. As soon as you do this, the tool will locate your specified point on the map. Next, you'll notice a radius field where you can specify the exact distance you need. You can edit this radius to match your requirements, whether that's 1/2 mile, 5 miles, or any other distance. Additionally, the tool gives you options to customize the appearance of your circle. You can change the color of the circle itself as well as the border color to make it stand out or match your branding needs. Once you're satisfied with all your settings and customizations, click the New Circle button. This generates your radius circle on the map with all the specifications you've set. Finally, look at the bottom of the page where you'll find a link. Copy this link and you're all set. You can now share this link with others or embed it wherever you need to display your radius circle on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.